every people are telling that you have to do this, you have to do that to become a successful person. And we also know that knowledge is not everything. We like every person have a lot of knowledge in their life, but they are not successful, because success is totally depend on our mindset, what kind of mindset you have in your life. Okay, so, and when we talk about mindset, we also know that mindset, our mind have their own two parts. One is conscious, one is subconscious. Okay, and we also know that subconscious mind have 90% of control of our life. 90% of power the subconscious mind have, and only 10% conscious. And I know that we know that consciousness is also important. We have to be conscious throughout the day, but through the conscious mind, our subconscious mind attracting all those things that we are thinking throughout the day. Okay, so what is the exact way that we can control our subconscious mind, and what is the exact way that we can reprogram our subconscious mind? And you know that reprogramming is important. Reprogram your subconscious mind is like totally, it's very important, because since our childhood we were listening so many bad words, so many bad circumstances, like these kind of scenes of our life. And even we had so many bad situations, and every and that energy is stored in our subconscious mind. And every time, even now we are doing something, we realize that those negative beliefs and those energies controlling our life. Okay, so it's very important to reprogram our subconscious mind and remove all those negative beliefs. So I'm here to telling you that what I did to reprogram my subconscious mind to think in a positive way. So I did so many things, but I in this video I'm gonna tell you about affirmations and subliminals. These are the fantastic way to reprogram our subconscious mind. And we have to, you know that we have to put new knowledge, new like good things in our subconscious mind to reprogram them. Okay, so first thing that I did is I had written all those like affirmations that I want to be like but first let me tell you that what is the affirmations and what is the subliminals. Affirmations is the positive statement that you want to become. Okay, and subliminals are also like the like sub affirmations, but in subliminals it has music also, it have music also, and music's volume is higher than subliminals. So it's a kind of thing that help us to hypnotize ourselves. And we have to hypnotize ourselves before reprogram our subconscious mind. We have to go in and we have to feel some drowsy feeling to become to put things in our subconscious mind directly. Because every time when we want to put something in our subconscious mind directly, our conscious mind like taking some problems to us. Okay, so you know I told you that I had written all those affirmations on a paper that I want to be like. I wrote, yes, now I'm thinking in a positive way. Thinking in positive way is very important. I accept myself, I accept the situations, and I'm always living in the present moment. So these kind of affirmations I wrote on the paper, and after the paper I recorded those affirmations and add some music. So I did those things, and after I did, I remember that I was listening those affirmations throughout the day, even now sometimes. But now I'm also doing so many other things, So in the beginning, it's important, it's very crucial to listen all those affirmations. So I record that affirmations, and I was having those affirmations in my phone, and every time when I was alone and I was doing something, even that time I remember that I want to listen more and more, as much as I can, okay, as much as I could. So I did that, and I feel that this is unbelievable, guys. After just 7 days, you start feeling that, wow, you you feel that something new is happening in your mind. Okay, this is very very important, and it's very, like, it will helpful for you also. So affirmations is a like very good thing, you have to do this. And subliminals are also, you like, I'm not telling you that you can do this just to be a positive person. Everything that are happening in your life, every problems that you having, may like maybe it would be about relationships, it would be about money, it would be about your health, it would be about your career, everything. If you have these kind of things, these kind of problems, you can just write a positive affirmations, positive statement, and just record those affirmations and those sentence on your own voice, and try to listen them throughout the day as much as you can, because it will help you to reprogram your subconscious mind. Because throughout the day, we know, and like I'm telling you, you also know that what is happening throughout the day. We are listening so many bad things, so many bad words from the people, from the, like, from our friend circles as well as. So it's our duty to protect our mind. Somewhere I read that our mind is like a puppy. If you are not training that, training him, training it, you will, it would be distract you. Okay, so it's important to train your brain. Okay, so literally affirmations and subliminals are really helpful, and if you do this, I tell you guys, it will very helpful for you. Okay, this is my story, that what I did. And I did also like visualizations and writing journals. But like initial days, I start with affirmations and subliminals. This is unbelievable. And these kind of stuff that I'm telling you, if you're watching till now, people, so many people out there, they are not believing in all those things, because they always like make perceiving us that oh, you don't know, this kind of stuff doesn't work, and we have to take actions. Yes, we have to take actions, it's important. But what about mental actions? What about mental things that we should do? Even you are just doing physical actions, you might be failed. Because that time, maybe the chance that you are thinking in a negative way or a positive way, whatever, by your mental practices or mental actions. So mental action is the first thing that we have to take. Okay, so it's unbelievable, it will be unbelievable for you also. And but you have to believe in me, you have to believe in this video, and just do this, guys. Write your affirmations, write your positive statement that you want, whatever you want. If you want something, if you want a car, okay, if you want a car, just write a positive statement about your car, that I'm having a good car, this model, that color. Okay, so just write everything and record those that affirmation on your own voice, and just listening, like start listening those affirmations throughout the day. And but I'm not telling you that this is the only thing. As I mentioned earlier, that mental actions is the first thing, but we have to take physical actions as well as, okay. So it's important to take physical actions also. Thank you. I think video would be going longer. So but if you are watching till now, I want to tell you something, that I'm here to sharing my life experiences, what I did, okay. And I'm also here to improve my English communication. If you are someone who trying to be a better person in your life, you can subscribe my channel. I'm sharing my life experiences about self improvement, how we can improve ourselves. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video and regarding your life's problems, okay, you can feel free to ask me. And you can ask me in the comment box, you can ask me on my Instagram as well, as link in the description. And thank you so much if you're watching till now. Much love to you guys, and thank you. Bye bye.